Okay, 2014 SEC Paper 2, Question 1, Probability. It says a garage has 5 black cars, 9 red cars, and 10 silver cars for sale. The car is selected at random. What's the probability the car is black? So in the garage you have 5 and 9 and 10, which makes 24 cars. And we want to choose a black one. So we have black is 5. So you go 5 over your possible cars, which is 24. So that's your probability that your car is black. Second part, it says the car is black or it's red. So we have 5 black cars, we have 9 red cars. So being black or red is 5 plus 9, which is 14. So the probability that it is black or red is 14 over 24. So again, remember your probabilities have to be between 0 and 1. So make sure you write them as fractions. Then part B, it says a car is selected at random, then a second car is selected at random from those remaining. So it's from those remaining, so we're not replacing the car. Okay, and that will have an effect on your number of cars. So the first time around you have 24 cars, second time around you have 23 cars. So you want to find out what's the probability your first car is silver and your second car is black. So your silver is 10 cars. So we want a silver car, so we're going 10 out of 24. We want the second car being black, which is black is 5 cars, but it's only out of those remaining, so it's 5 over 23. And we want both to happen, which is an and, which in probability means multiply. So you're having 10 over 24 multiplied by 5 over 23. Okay, so when you do that, you multiply top by top and you get 50. And then when you multiply 24 times 23, you get 552. So the likelihood of that happening is quite slim. Okay, then it says one of the selected cars is red and the other one is black. So basically you could have a red-black version, or you could have a black-red version. So there's 2 options, and that's the sneaky bit for this one. So if we're going a probability of a red car followed by a black car, you are going 9 over 24. And your black car is 5 over 23. And there, and so it's a multiply. So that's your probability of red followed by black. If you're going with black followed by red, you're having 5 over 24 multiplied by 9 over 23. So when you multiply that out, you go 9 by 5 will give you 45 over your 552. And the second one is also 45 over 552. But you have this option or this option, so you have to add those 2 probabilities together. So your answer is 90 over 552. Okay. The third part of the question says 3 of the black cars, 2 of the red cars, and 4 of the silver cars have diesel. 1 car from the garage is selected at random. What's the probability it's a red car or a diesel? So we want the probability of the car being red or the probability of it being a diesel. Now the problem with this is being red and being diesel are not independent events. So for this, you will have probability of red, probability of diesel, but you have to remember to take away the probability of the overlap. So we want the probability of red and diesel, okay, which is the overlap. So how many of the red cars were diesel? So in terms of that, your probability of getting a red was 9 over 24. Your probability of getting a diesel, so we had 3, 2, and 4. So 3, 2, and 4 gives you 9. So we also have 9 over 24. Okay, and because it's an or, these 2 are added together. And we want to take away the overlap. So the overlap is that it is a red diesel. So red car and diesel is 2, but this time it's 2 over 9. All right, so you'd have first probability plus the second probability, take away the overlap. and then you calculate that using your fraction button on the calculator. So we go 9 over 24 plus 9 over 24, take away 2 over 9. And when we work that out, you get 19 over 36. So that's the probability that is a red or a diesel car.